welcome to the fourth and last video in my series on photography experiments which you can do from home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create amazing patterns and get unique photos just like the ones you are seeing now. These are all created using smoke and the technique is really simple. So are you ready? Let's jump in! Garden again. I have my light pen out and this time I'm using a black background. This helps to highlight the smoke and make it stand out from the background while softening the natural light. If you have a busy background, your smoke is likely to get lost. I'm using black because smoke is a white or grey in colour, so if we were to use a light coloured background, again that smoke would just get lost. So I am once again using my macro lens, but you can also use a standard lens. Something of about 50 to 100mm is perfect. The other piece of equipment which we're going to be using today is a flash. You can just use your on-camera flash if your camera has one. My camera doesn't, which is why I have this beacon attached to the top. You can use whatever you like for creating smoke, although I find candles or incense work best for this. I've got an incense in there already. The camera is going to have trouble focusing on the smoke because it's moving constantly, changing shape and direction. This is what we want though. This is what creates the amazing patterns. So what we need to do is switch our camera into manual focus mode. This can be done either with a little switch on your lens or inside your camera's menu. Once you're in manual focus mode, you will need to change the focus yourself. This can be done with the focus wheel on your lens. You will see that there is some numbers either on the wheel or in a little window on your lens. These numbers are your focal distance. So how close or how far away an object needs to be for it to be in focus. For this experiment, we're going to be getting quite close. So I'm going to just set my focal distance now to 0.5 meter. The next thing we want to set is our aperture. We're going to be wanting to use a small aperture to create a wide depth of field. This will make it easier to get the smoke in focus. I am using f/22. I have my shutter speed set to 1/250th, which is the fastest shutter speed which I can use with a flash. My ISO is set to 200. I have my flash on full power with a 24mm zoom and no diffuser. So now we are ready to get shooting. I already have my incense stick lit and inside the tent ready to go. So let's get in there and we'll line up the camera and watch through the viewfinder, then gently rock back and forth until we see that the smoke is in focus. That is then when we press the button. Now this technique takes a lot of practice, so don't feel disheartened if your first attempt doesn't work. Just keep trying and you'll surprise yourself. So I'm going to jump in there now and get some quick photos.